Hi there, good afternoon. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS problems, bloating, painful digestion, heartburn, etc. Any kind of associated hormone problems such as perimenopause, menopause, bad periods, chronic fatigue as well, things like that, which can often be closely related to your gut health. So I use state-of-the-art testing usually, and then dietary upgrades, supplements sometimes to bring things nicely into balance for you again. So a big area of concern tends to be dairy. So I thought I would do a quick look at dairy for you and kind of go over what kind of scenarios you may wish to take dairy out of your diet or experiment with taking dairy out of your diet to see if you can get some relief, and then also a few kind of warnings about not overly restricting your diet, etc., and other kind of sources of dairy that might be a bit healthier for you. Okay, so straight on with it then. So if you have anything, any kind of digestive issues such as bloating or what have you, skin problems, acne, etc., or respiratory issues especially, so sinusitis or any kind of excess mucus situation, it might be worth you just taking dairy out of your diet for a short period of time just to see if that helps you at all. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So for example, if you are suffering with bloating, this could be down to the fact you may be slightly lactose intolerant. You may have difficulty breaking down the lactose, so the sugar in dairy, and this could be causing problems for you. And this could be down to dysbiosis, so an imbalance in your gut bacteria, which can be remedied, hopefully. So if you try that, then you may be fortunate enough to be able to really reduce any kind of cramping, stomach pain, diarrhea, nausea, that kind of thing that's bothering you. So you may be able to get some kind of relief there. So if it does turn out that you are to any degree lactose intolerant, then it's going to be a good idea for you to just avoid dairy permanently going forward, because it's going to just continue to aggravate you forevermore. As I say, if you're suffering with your skin, it could be down to having a problem with dairy and not digesting it properly. So there's a big link with issues such as eczema, acne, and so forth. So if you combine a dairy-free diet with the right kind of probiotic, again, you can see some relief with this as well. So if you do take dairy out of your diet, you need to make sure you're firstly getting enough calcium. This is what people tend to think dairy is the best source of calcium. It's actually not. And also you need to make sure that you're balancing your calcium with adequate magnesium. And there are plenty of foods around that supply plenty of calcium and a lot of magnesium at the same time. So you want to be looking at foods like leafy greens, great source of magnesium, avocados, bananas, figs, cocoa. So really good quality dark chocolate is great for you as well. So all those foods combine calcium, magnesium in a nice ratio. Seeds are really great for providing both. Sardines, such as sardines and tinned salmon, you want to be eating those little soft bones in there because they're full of calcium. Nuts and tofu as well are all great sources. So if you're avoiding dairy, make sure you're getting plenty of those on board as well. Some people may find that they can tolerate some dairy products, not others. Particularly fermented dairy is a lot easier to digest a lot of the time. So milk kefir, for example, is very beneficial. It's full of beneficial bacteria. You can make it yourself at home if you have the right grains to do that with. Yogurts as well, good quality natural yogurts, particularly Greek yogurt, is a great source of protein as well. Very, very high in protein, so it's another beneficial food that you can be eating, as long as, of course, you can tolerate it okay. Raw dairy as well. A lot of people will tolerate raw dairy absolutely fine. And as far as I know, you still need to be getting that from specialised specialist farmers, etc., sometimes will be able to sell that. I don't think you could get it in any supermarket as things stand. So yes, that's just a little rundown on dairy then, and what you can, the kind of situations you may want to avoid it, and the kind of situations that you know,